Okay, exercise 18. I'm going to draw this outside shape as rectangles and then start cutting some things away from it. So let's start looking at it this way. I'm going to draw the whole shape. So we're going to go 25 tall by 145 long. Then I need to add another rectangle going up is 90 tall and 36 long. So there's my whole shape. I'm going to finish that one off. I can't cut out this bit straight up because it's actually sitting lower over here. So I'm going to extrude this one first. And he needs to be how far this way? 72 in total. So there we go. Now we can come and cut out that little rectangle at the bottom. So rectangle tool. We're going to be 6 millimeters tall and 72 millimeters long. Finish that one. Extrude him. We're going to go minus 50. There's my little cutout for my extrude. So now I've got my curvy shape over here and all my holes in the end here. So let's jump in the end. What I'm going to do is I'm going to draw this whole circle and this rectangle, extrude them, and then put my hole back through everything. So start with our circle. So our circle, our big one, says a diameter of 60. And it says that it is, well, not dimensioned that way. It's actually dimensioned from the bottom edge. So let's, sorry, delete him. Dimension from here to here is 48. And then dimension from here to here is 36. And then we need to draw our rectangle. Now I'm going to cheat a little bit here and go rectangle, but I'm going to draw a center point rectangle and draw him out from the middle like that. And so the height of my rectangle is 90 minus 24 minus 30. So where do I get 36 from? It's 90 minus my 30 minus my 24. And so now that is all my lines. It looks very confusing. If I finish my sketch and I extrude it, it'll look a little bit easier to understand. I'm going to take all of those sections. We're going to go back in minus 12. So that's that part. I then just need to put this circle in and push it through everything. So I'm going to sketch off this face. So you can see there, if I move my mouse, it's actually grabbing those lines. So that's the center of that circle. And if I go all the way there, that's the center point of that whole circle. Now it's a radius of 12, which means when I'm doing a diameter, it's a diameter of 24 because a radius is half the diameter. Extrude back through, cut through everything. It's cutting through. So I click OK. And there is my hole through my shape. So last one down here is I need to do this rectangle and oval section. So create sketch. Now, if you want to get real tricky in here, you can use the slot tool, but I'm just going to draw my rectangle like so, and then add on my arc. So my rectangle is going to be 50 long, and it's going to be 72 minus 24 minus 24 wide. Where did my 24s come from? Well, this is 24, and the other side also has to be 24. I'm then just going to add in my arc using my 3-point arc, corner, corner, and bring it out. And that should be the exact right size, which is a radius of 12. I can't do that because when I clicked in, it made it a tangent, so it's already happy. I'm going to extrude through those two all the way back through everything. And there is exercise number 18 completed.